Okay, today we are going to be talking about the Oreck XL Platinum HEPA. It's going to be a pretty quick video because it's a pretty quick and easy machine. It has a low speed and a high. It's kind of different nowadays. Well, not really. Dyson has their turbo, but run one on their turbo and it kills it like immediately, battery-wise. It is a bag. It is HEPA. That actually is not a Oreck Genuine bag. I'd probably recommend using an Oreck Genuine bag just to get the best performance of the machine. But just for something that collects dust, and I run air purifiers and no one has allergies around here anyways, it doesn't really matter too much. But flipping it over, whoa, there's something we can get out the brush roll. It has a wooden brush roll, made well, decently stiff bristles, spot here for your extra belt, this nice kickback plate, which actually works really well on your hardwoods whenever stuff just doesn't shoot from behind it. So let's go ahead and get into the little bit of the carpet demo and also the hardwoods. Another thing that's a little bit confusing now, the newer Orecks have addressed it. The low speed is for hard floors and the high speed is for carpets. So that's a nice little thing to know. So hopefully you can see the suction power on this thing is actually pretty impressive. I was using a Dyson basically all the time, a V8 Animal Plus or something like that, but I've actually started using this. Here we go. I don't know if you can see or not, but it has enough suction to actually pull up the rug, which I don't know if that's a sign of anything, but it's something I like to see. Just to let you know that it is cleaning well. These are replaceable. These are replaceable. Everything on this machine is super easy to maintain and fix. Take that off to change out the brush. The belt, changing the bag couldn't be easier. It has a cool thing actually when you change the bag. Once you pull this up, it automatically seals, so you're not toting it helps with the dust in the trash. So anyways, really the only downside I've found with it is it doesn't do too well on corners. Which if we can look right here, that's kind of the reason why, I would assume. That's kind of a far way. Now this side gets a little bit closer up, but this side leaves something to be desired. But these do help in picking stuff from the walls and getting it into the brush roll and into the bag. So overall, would I recommend the Oreck? Yes, I very much so would. And especially, this was my mother's. She replaced hers with the newer Oreck. Let's see. And this one was made in 2009. and it is still kicking. So the longevity of them, especially these older machines, I know they got bought out by a different company when they were about to go bankrupt, but anyways, would I recommend an older model, or at least this one? This is the only one I have experience using. I would highly recommend it. I love it. It's become my daily driver vacuum. My Kirby works great, but it's too heavy. My TriStar is a ton to lug around. This one does well both on carpets and hardwoods. I like the weight of it. It's super easy to tote around. Really, there's just not anything bad I can say about it other than this side kind of missing some debris. But hit it with the other side and you're good. So that is my review of the Oreck XL Platinum HEPA. XL meaning extended life. We'll see how that goes. Well, actually, if it was born in 2009, I guess it does have a pretty extended life whenever you consider how many other cheapo vacuums I've gone through. So yeah, highly recommend the Oreck. Last thing I wanted to mention about the Oreck that is a really good selling point in my opinion is how low it goes. Like, well, we just got off the ground, but so in order to get, like, say under this chair, just had to show that it does get pretty low for an upright vacuum. Last thing I do not like about it is it has no attachments. So you can't, dust or get up high or, anything like all the attachments on, like my Dyson, which I'll do a review on next. But overall, for floors and just quick carpet cleanups, this is my go-to. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and come back for more.